You know, if your libido's low, this is your wake-up call. It's springtime, baby. Let's get it together. That means if your libido's low, your testosterone's low. Your blood flow is low, right? We got to shake that up. I got 5 foods that will light the fire for you naturally. You know, I get asked this topic a lot. You know, there's various things you can do. You know, here I have a structured regimen for you. And at the end of this video, I have a bonus, I'll give you a couple of supplements as well. So, number 1, on the top of my list, it's not ginger, it's maca root. Maca root is an ancient root, I think it's from Peru, known to boost libido, energy, sexual stamina. You know, don't overdo this. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. It's very strong stuff. You can do that 3 or 4 times a week and then rotate it with ginger. Watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline, which increases blood flow. That's nature's little blue pill. Juice it, though. Juice it, because most of the power is not in the red, but it's in the rind. It's in the rind, right? The part that we usually throw away. So try to juice the watermelon. Drink that a few times a week. Number 3, pumpkin seeds, very high in zinc for testosterone production. It's got magnesium in it as well. You know, 2 handfuls a day. 2 handfuls a day. Get that in. The magnesium and zinc is in a very good proportion. Dark chocolate increases dopamine and blood flow. Get the good dark chocolate. You know, increases pleasure sensation and performance. Get the low sugar variety and get a handful of walnuts to eat with that to offset any blood sugar spikes. But get the low sugar variety of the dark chocolate. Avocado, number 5. It's full of healthy fats, vitamin B6 that supports testosterone hormone production and your mood. You should have a half an avocado a day. 1 is better. Every day. Now here's the bonus. Amino acid, L-arginine. It's a natural vasodilator. Increases the veins and capillary openings so that more blood can flow through. Increases nitric oxide production in the body, right? That produces more blood flow, performance, and more sensitivity in your pelvic region. And the next thing you can take is Tongkat Ali. That's an herbal extract that's known and shown to support testosterone production, stamina, and drive. It's been used for centuries in Southeast Asia and other parts of the world. It's known for being a great male vitality tonic. So you take that with some saffron tea. Saffron tea is a known libido booster and aphrodisiac from ancient times, right? So you combine those 2 together. So that's the bonus. So libido isn't just about, you know, sexual performance. It's a sign of your health. It's a sign of your circulation. It's a sign of your vitality and energy. It's a sign of your mindset, your get up and go, right? Your courage, your confidence, all that. That's what libido does. It's not just in the bed. No, it's outside in the real world. How well do you deal with stress and conflict? How well can you push forward with the visions that you have for your life and for your family? That's libido as well. Follow for more tips, and let's get healthy.